Okay, here are the WINPLUS LED ceiling light with motion sensor and remote from Costco. So these are them installed. All right, and here's the box. It's really nice. You got a remote with batteries, and obviously it comes with an instruction manual on how to wire them up. They're really easy to install. You get the two mounting screws that fit into the junction box or the light box, 3 wire nuts, and then 2 batteries for the remote, and obviously the ceiling light itself. And then all you need is a screwdriver and some electrical tape, to go ahead and install. All right. So this is how it looks. There's a black and a white wire, and then a ground. Okay, so that's really all you have to do is just connect those, and you end up fitting the. You put the screws in the junction box, and then you fit, depending as to what size it is, you end up fitting the screws through the white opening and then shifting it to the right, and then that's how it locks in place, and then you tighten them up in order to retain it in place. All right, so it's and then the cover itself, you can take that off, okay, and that's how it looks in the inside. So I wish I would have taken this earlier so I could show you. But yeah, it's really interesting how it is in the inside. There's all the different LEDs, and there's two different LEDs. One's a high temperature, and then another one's a lower temperature light color. All right, so you see in the box, 50,000 hours, 2,700 to 5,000 Kelvin, 1,600 lumens, and just 22 watts. So it's not bad. We've been pretty happy with it. It has a motion sensor, which is really neat. You could adjust the motion sensor. There's a night mode, and then there's adjustable brightness level, and then it also has the ambient control. So if it senses ambient light, it'll go ahead and turn off the it'll turn off the light itself. And it also has the remote, and you could also turn it on and off, or set up a timer for it to turn on and off if there is no movement in the room. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you exactly how it looks. So you can do the night mode, and it'll go ahead and dim them. So it's hard to tell because it auto adjusts the exposure. But it's actually significantly darker in here, and it's more of an orange light. All right, so you can see just exactly the difference. And then if you do max light, that's at max. That's at max brightness, warm, and this is max brightness. So you can really see the difference. Now that's very cool. And then you could do, we have it set at like around 2 down. So, and then you can do individually. All right, so all right, and then it has a motion sensor on it. So if we turn off and then move, they'll turn on. So I have them set at really near, but if we do far, and this is what's pretty cool, is if you adjust the setting, it blinks at you, like a very slight blink. All right, so now watch this. So turn them off, and there you go. So pretty neat. And then there's time until off. You could set up the ambient light sensor on or off. You could set up the brightness. You can set up how warm or cool you want it. So here's very warm, and then you can do cooler light. max cool. All right, so there you go.